To install a ZipWall pass-through, first uncouple the two ring pieces and set aside the back piece for now. Position the pole clamp over the spring-loaded pole and snap it into place. The clamp will fit the 10, 12, and 20-foot poles. Uncinch the drawstring and open up the sleeve. Pick up the ring piece that you had set aside and move around to the back of the barrier. Coming in from the back of the barrier, set aside the ring piece again, and taking a utility knife, cut a circular hole in the plastic, using the ring for a guide as you make your cut. You can discard the plastic that you've cut away. Now take the ring and align it so the side that says ZipWall faces out. You will notice there are 3 tabs on the ring. Line those 3 tabs up with the holes on the other side and slide lock the 2 ring pieces together. Now you can take your ducting and feed it through the pass-through. The pass-through will accommodate any diameter up to 14 inches. Move back around to the front of the barrier and complete the installation by cinching the drawstring tight over the ducting. Because the pass-through is anchored to the pole, it can take a substantial amount of weight, as you can see here. To close the pass-through, just uncinch the drawstring, remove the ducting, and cinch the drawstring closed. This allows you to easily and effectively reseal your barrier without having to tape over any holes.